Hello everyone. Question is a company has more than 10,000 sensors that send data to an on-premises Apache Kafka server by using the message queuing telemetry transport MQTT protocol. The on-premises Kafka server transforms the data and then stores the results as objects in an Amazon S3 bucket. Recently, the Kafka server crashed. The company lost sensor data while the server was being restored. A solution architect must create a new design on AWS that is highly available and scalable to prevent a similar occurrence. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A, launch two Amazon EC2 instances to host the Kafka server in active and standby configuration across two availability zones. Create a domain name in Amazon Route 53. Create a Route 53 failover policy. Route the sensors to send the data to the domain name. Option B, migrate the on-premises Kafka server to Amazon Managed Streaming for Apache Kafka Amazon MSK. Create a network load balancer NLB that points to the Amazon MSK broker. Enable NLB health checks. Route the sensors to send the data to the NLB. Option C, deploy AWS IoT core and connect it to Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose delivery stream. Use an AWS Lambda function to handle data transformation. Route the sensors to send the data to AWS IoT core. Option D, deploy AWS IoT core and launch an Amazon EC2 instance to host the Kafka server. Configure AWS IoT core to send the data to the EC2 instance. Route the sensors to send the data to AWS IoT core. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a solutions architect has deployed a web application that serves users across two AWS regions under a custom domain. The application uses Amazon Route 53 latency based routing. The solutions architect has associated weighted record sets with a pair of web servers in separate availability zones for each region. The solutions architect runs a disaster recovery scenario when all the web servers in one region are stopped. Route 53 does not automatically redirect users to the other region. Which of the following are possible root cause of this issue? Select two options. Option A, the weight for the region where the web servers were stopped is higher than the weight for the other region. Option B, one of the web servers in the secondary region did not pass the HTTP health check. Option C, latency resource record sets cannot be used in the combination with the weighted resource record sets. Option D, the setting to evaluate target health is not returned on for the latency aliases resource record set that is associated with the domain in the region where the web servers were stopped. Option E, an HTTP health check has not been set up for one or more of the weighted resource record sets associated with the stopped web servers. Correct answer is option D. Question is, a company uses multiple AWS accounts in a single AWS region. A solutions architect is designing a solution to consolidate logs generated by elastic load balancers ELBs in the app dev, app test and app prod accounts. The logs should be stored in an existing Amazon S3 bucket named S3 EIB logs in the central AWS account. The central account is used for log consolidation only and does not have ELBs. Deployed ELB logs must be encrypted at rest. Which combination of steps should the solution architect take to build the solution? Select two options. Option A, update the S3 bucket policy for the S3 ELB logs bucket to allow the S3 put bucket logging action for the central AWS account ID. Option B, update the S3 bucket policy for the S3 EIB logs bucket to allow the S3 put object and S3 delete object actions for the appdev, apptest, and appprod account IDs. Option C, update the S3 bucket policy for the S3 ELB logs bucket to allow the S3 put object action for the appdev, apptest, and appprod account IDs. Option D, enable access logging for the ELBs. Set the S3 location to the S3 ELB logs bucket. Option E, enable Amazon S3 default encryption using server-side encryption with S3 managed encryption keys SSE S3 for the S3 ELB logs S3 bucket. Correct answer is option A and option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.